To figure how high my stairs have to go, I put a straight edge here to here, leveled it, and measured it. I end up with 64 inches from the top of the deck down to there. 64 inches. And I came out about 72 inches based on the size of the tread and the step on it. The tread is the part you step on. Based on the tread size, I figured about 72 inches is where I want this post. Before we start building the stringers, this will help you better understand. We've got about 72 inches, I figured the length or the width of the stair treads themselves, left about 1 inch overhang, and I figured we now need to come out about 72 inches from there to there based on the number of risers we need. And we're 64 inches from the top to the bottom, 64 inches. And so we figured 8 inch risers. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need a total of 8, but we only got to cut 7 because this counts as 1 riser. So we needed 8. We take out 1. We ended up with 7 risers, and this is our 8th right here. So that gives you a basic idea, so you understand once we start building the steps. This may make it a little more clear. Again, this is 10 1/4 because this is 11 1/4. The two treads together are 11 1/4, so we did 10 1/4, so we got about 1 inch overhang. We've determined the two floorboards are going to be about 11 1/4 inches together. So I'm setting my knocks on this to 10 1/4, so like a 1 inch overhang roughly. And I need the rise of 8 inches, so I've set the knock at 8 inches. Now, we go like so. Now when you do this, if you have a second level, this makes your life a little easier, which you'll see later when you cut things out. So like so. You got the extra rise right here. At the proper angle. You line this up exactly where it comes out. And right there, the run and the rise. The run is 10 1/4, the rise is 8 inches. Now this is a part of the stringer that's going to set against the landing. So I'm going to make an adjustment in a minute. I'm going to first put the square here and then we can draw the line. And then we're going to make an adjustment based on the height of the decking itself, which I said was 1 1/4. Now on this side, that's the bottom of the landing. We've got, right now it's going to be 7 inches, but we got to take off 1 1/4. We got to make an adjustment 1 1/4 inches shorter, so we don't have the first step won't be too high. So right now we've got 8 inches basically. And we've got to knock it down. One 1/4 inch. We're going to take off 1 1/4 inches. So if we go like so, we're going to cut this out. That's going to be the bottom. That's the bottom step. And then with that 1 1/4 inch decking on there, it's going to be a consistent 8 inch with everything else. I like to also cut a notch in the back here. and put a 2x4 along the end. You'll see in a minute. You cut that notch out also, and that will tie them all together when we're finished. It'll start making sense as we keep on going along. After you get those cut out, you just continue with your saber saw. Got it all cut out. Should be good to go from here. I've got the back nailing board attached now. I'll attempt to set these stringers up, see how it looks. Now we just have to put a level on here and raise these up or down to make them level. Got to come up just a hair, very, very close, very close. It's got to go down a hair, but very close. Basically, that's a finished stair project. If you put a kick plate in front all the way along there, you can do that also. If you've got enough overhang, you can easily put a 3/4 inch or 1x3 up there. And then we gotta get the rails done, but that's not important. You saw how to build the steps.